Now if you lose your wheel lock nut key, head over to your car manufacturer, provide some ID such as a logbook which shows you are the ownership of the car, show them an image of the wheel nut and they will figure out and provide you with a lock nut key which costs around £20. Or you can go for a full new set which pretty much costs the same amount. Now if you're going for a new set while you have lost your key, then ask for a mechanic to take off the other lock nuts. So to install this particular lock nut on the Toyota Aygo, you will need an 18mm socket. Attach it on the wrench and simply screw in. Making sure it's tightly fitted in. Job done. Peace.